Hi, I'm Dave Walton. Did you know that upgrading your central air conditioner is one of the most impactful ways to reduce your electricity bill during the summer months? A new high-efficiency central air conditioning system that has a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 13 can deliver as much as 28% more efficiency than that of an older 10-SEER air conditioner. If you're not ready to replace your central air conditioning system, make sure you have it maintained once a year by a licensed professional to ensure it's working properly and running efficiently. And that's another Smart Energy Minute.